The most failure-prone water heating component in an electric vehicle is the PTC coolant heater. So how do we repair it? I'll walk you through the most common issues. Before any repair, we read the fault codes and data stream first to roughly locate the problem area. Then we disassemble it and focus our measurements on that section. If the vehicle reports and have interlock fault and we've traced it back to the PTC heater, once you open it up, you'll see two thin wires at the back. These are the interlock detection wires. The signal is transmitted through this small ribbon cable to these two pins. Testing it is very straightforward. Just short these points together and check continuity here. If it beeps, it's normal. If there's no sound, then you've got a loose connection or a broken wire in between. If the vehicle reports a communication fault, most of the time it's a failed communication chip. These heaters can use LIN or CAN communication. On this unit, it's marked as LIN communication. Flip it over, and this pin is the LIN signal. From here, it goes through an electronic switch, and then to the LIN chip. Most likely, either this electronic switch or the LIN chip is bad. Failures further down the line are rare. If the vehicle reports a temperature monitoring fault, you need to check whether it's the inlet, outlet, or the IGBT module reporting the issue. Because this unit has 3 temperature sensors. This one here monitors the IGBT temperature. After disassembly, you'll find one at the coolant inlet and another at the outlet. You need to identify exactly which sensor is faulty. Then focus your inspection there. If the heater doesn't operate and reports a current sampling fault, it usually points to a damaged current sensor. Some use Hall sensors, but most boards use shunt-type current sensing. To put it simply, it's just a very small resistor. Here you can see 2 resistors in parallel. The voltage drop is measured here, then sent to an op-amp for amplification, and finally to the main control chip. If there's a current sampling error, the shunt itself rarely fails. Most of the time, the op-amp circuit is the problem. Another easy money repair is a blown high-voltage fuse. When the fuse blows, it's usually because the PTC heating film or heating plate has failed. Like this unit here, it's completely burnt. Pull it out and replace it. If new parts aren't available, swapping usable elements from a donor unit works too. Master these methods I've just shared, and you'll outperform most local shops. You'll be the go-to EV repair tech every winter.